Hey everyone, I'm here today to do a quick color spotlight for you because the wig I have on has been discontinued, so I'm not going to review the wig, but I thought it would be a good idea for you guys to see the color. So I have on Raquel Welch Pure Allure in the color SS4 33, which is SS Eggplant. So again, Pure Allure has been discontinued. This is actually a regular synthetic. It is not a heat friendly. I know a lot of Raquel Welch wigs are HD fiber. This one is not. And this color though is so beautiful. I just love, love, love this color. So I'm going to show it to you in a few different lighting situations with my ring light, and then I'm going to show it to you outside. So this should be a quick video because we don't have to talk about this wig. All right, so SS Eggplant 4/33. So a 4 is a dark brown. 33 is a medium auburn. So it's a dark auburn brown is what I would call it. It has really subtle auburn highlighting. So it's not overly highlighted, but it definitely has strips or streaks of auburn, but it's not like stripy. It's just so good. So here, I'm going to turn my ring light on for you guys. Hold on, my cord got tangled a little. All right, so I can actually hit the button while I'm in the screen. Okay, so let's take a look here. Oh, I hit the wrong button. Here we go. Okay, so this is the brightest white light on my ring light. I have another one I'll show you. But this is a bright white. Oops, I'm sorry, you guys. I didn't mean to like smack my phone. I'm just trying to focus it on the hair fibers. Bright white. So you can see it's just this beautiful dark brown with these auburn highlights. So pretty. Really, really pretty. All right, so make sure you're getting a good look. It's all about the color. Okay, so now I'm going to switch it. This is more of the warm light that matches my bathroom lighting really, really well. What I like about this lighting is it's very, very, it's a good representation of indoor lighting. Indoor household lighting tends to be softer lighting, tends to be warmer lighting, and so you want to see what a wig will look like. Your monitor and what you're watching this video on are hugely important to how you are seeing color. Please note that you have to really watch a lot of videos and you still may not get a good representation of color. You just sometimes have to see it in person. So I do the best that I can. I think we all do who do reviews. I'm learning a lot though, which is why I got this ring light and why I try to show in a lot of light. Because even then people will get a wig and it won't be quite what they expected. But to my eye, it's just a deep, warm, auburn, chocolatey brown. So beautiful. If you like dark brunettes, you like some red cast in red tones, and you love auburns, this is a perfect, perfect color. And then because it's an SS, it means that it's rooted. But since it's not rooted with a different color, the base color is a 4 and the rooting's a 4, I would just say it just means that there isn't as much auburn at the top, and it just gives a bit of a shadow up there, which can be really, really realistic looking. So just in case you're curious or you come across a Pure Allure on for sale, like on a used or secondary white website, I got this actually off of eBay, and it was brand new. I would just real quick tell you, Pure Allure, oh, I'm getting myself out of focus. If I had like a fancy, super expensive camera, I think we'd be better off, but it's my phone. It's got a lace front, it has a mono part, it's not heat HD. This one needs steam. I love the style, I love the cut. I think it's super realistic and flattering. It just needs some steam. And I've had it for a while, I just haven't messed with her, but I just think the style is super cute. And then there is quite a bit of permatease right in here and up here. Not super poofy or pillowy, but there is some. It's actually the amount of permatease I think is perfect because you can get just a little bit of body, but it's not poofy. All right, guys, so this has been an indoor look at this color. The back the color gets all wonky when I turn around. Again, a product of not having a fancy, expensive phone, but so that's why I didn't really do a 360. But I'll get outside for you guys. You can see this in outside light. So just hang tight. All right, guys. SS Eggplant 433 SS or SS 433. Thought the white background of my garage would be helpful. I love this color. I think it's so dynamic and so beautiful. It's just that chocolate, warm chocolatey color. It's really fantastic. You know, John Renault has a 433. I have Cameron and John Renault 433. It's not as chocolatey, and the 4 is more prevalent in that one, so it's a bit darker overall. It's funny how different manufacturers just do their colors differently. So if you have 433 and John Renault, this one's just a tiny, tiny bit more auburn. All right, guys, I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon.